Day, Domik Nation, and welcome to the video blog. It is Tuesday, and I've got all my work done, technically. So I got my vlog done, got my veg review done. It's going to go out at 12. It is 11:33. I just got a tweet from Stephanie and Emma, and they were telling me, give me a heads up, which I love, about the potato roasty and bacon burger with new waffle cut fries at McDonald's. So I need a video for Friday. Tomorrow I'm working all day with Carl. Thursday I'm working all day with Carl. I have no time to go out and shoot it. But today is the time. But I'm not going anywhere until I put my snow tires on. First, as you could hear from Sam's whining, he wants to go out first. Look at him. Now he's pissed. He's angry. So we'll get Sam's walk in right now, and then we'll do the tires. And then we'll go to McDonald's. Paul lent me this little impact gun. And I've got, those are my snow tires. They're close to being changed for next year. Once you get moving out there, it's not so bad. I gotta wash my hands, get all ready to go to McDonald's. Oh. Woo! It's 1:15, so we're gonna zip into town, and I'm gonna kind of keep my eye on the wheels, and also I'm gonna check the tire pressure on the way home. I also have to pick up a parcel somebody sent me. I don't know what it is, so I'm gonna go check that out. And yeah, and then we'll do the McDonald's review. Let's go. Thought I'd hit the post office first and then get air in my tires just in case it needs it now as opposed to later when I have a blowout. Now I remember what it is. Can I show this side? Okay. So it's this big, and it's for Ben. It's Ben's present. Ben doesn't know what he's getting. He has no idea. I know what he wants. He doesn't know what he wants, but I know what he wants. So it'll be, he'll like it. I know he'll love it. I know he wants it, but he doesn't know he wants it. Is what I'm trying to get at. Which is going to be the best part of the present. Yeah, I'm going to get air in the tires first because it's kind of pulling to the left. Let go of the steering wheel and it starts to drive across the road. So that's not good. So let's go get some air. This is the best place to get free air. Got that gizmo on it too. All right, most of the tires were 10 to 20 pounds under pressure. It says maximum pressure on these snow tires 51 pounds PSI. Does that sound correct to any of you car people out there that understand all this stuff? Because it says it had load, maximum load, and then it had maximum tire pressure 51. I've never heard it being that high for regular tires. I think it's like 36 to 40 for most tires. Anyway, let me know in the comments below. We're off to McDonald's now. I'm gonna have to wash my hands before I order my food because it's like got all the hose yuckies all over me. All right, as I was leaving Stroud, I asked Siri what's the closest McDonald's, and she said this one. So I almost went all the way back down to Bradford, which would have been a mistake. But yeah, this is there's the Barry Molson Center. Hands all washed up. They were disgusting. Anyway, let's get this done. All set up, got camera 1, camera 2, mic is on, light 1. Let's turn that on right now. I'm gonna have to like check it as we go. So that's good. This is the potato, I think it's potato rosti and bacon burger, and I'm hoping I'm saying that right. I'm gonna ask the lady there. But again, that's Stephanie and Emma who sent that to me. I also got another one just after this from somebody saying, are you gonna try the waffle fries? And so let's do it. All right, all done. That review, just shutting off all my cameras. Takes a while to shut off, which is good because you don't want to accidentally press it once and then it just stops working. So that's kind of a safety feature, I guess, on the GoPros. So you got to put all your crap away. That's my workout for the day right there. Lifting my camera bag. Got to put all this stuff away. All nice and neat. Make sure you shut off your microphone. Technically, this is the last thing I usually pull off the dashboard, but I'm doing everything kind of ass backwards right now. So that goes there, that goes there, that goes there. Cameras are away. Cameras. This is why I like doing these things in the wintertime, because my windows are closed. Nobody can hear me being a really weirdo. All right, got the camera, got the phone. Let's head home.